Hello students, I'm Flexi, wishing you a hearty congratulations and hoping you clear your GATE exam with flying colors. Before we start with the installation process of the pen drive, there are a few things that you need to keep in mind about the configuration of your laptop. The first thing is that your laptop needs to have an operating system of Windows 7 or above. Secondly, this pen drive can be installed only on one device. So, if in case your laptop needs to be formatted or it gets crashed, no alternatives will be provided. Now, starting with the installation process, you need to insert your pen drive into the USB portal. Nextly, open this PC folder and there you will see a drive named. Now double click on this drive. You shall see 3 different folders. Select Windows Video Player. This folder consists of the setup for application. Opening this folder, you shall see a list of 3 different items. You need to select application. With this, you will have a setup pop-up box. Here you need to select the I accept the agreement and click on next button. The next window is about selecting the destination location. Without any change, click on the next button. In the next window, select the create a desktop shortcut and click on the next button. In the next window, click on the install button. Now you will be able to see the desktop. Initially, you need to sign up in the application. For this, you will first run the application as an administrator. Doing so, you will see a form asking for a few of your details. Start filling them. Your name, your mail ID, your mobile number, create a password, re-enter the password and then click on the submit button. A pop-up message will appear notifying successful addition of your course package. Click on the OK button. The next step is to activate your pen drive. For this, you need to log in with either your mail ID or your contact number and the passcode that you had generated earlier. A pop-up message will appear notifying successful addition of your course package. Click on the OK button. Doing so, the home page will appear on your screen. The left side of the home screen is divided into 2 sections. Packages ready to use and packages not yet activated. To activate your course, first of all you need to click on the folder. Doing so, you shall see a pop-up in which you need to click on the yes button. The course that you have opted for will be visible in the packages not yet activated section. You have to activate the course by inserting the activation key provided in the user manual. Now you can see a message box asking for the 16-digit activation code. This is the same code you are provided with in the user manual. Enter the 16-digit code very carefully and click on the active button. A pop-up message will appear notifying successful addition of your course package. Click on the OK button. Wait for some time while the system is configuring and preparing the package for first time usage. After the activation of your course, the folder shifts to package ready to use section. Now when you click on the folder, you will be able to see content divided subject wise. No internet connectivity is needed hereafter. You can access video lectures offline. Online course is ready to use. Enjoy your studies.